Okay, well, after a long night last night, I'm finally getting my videos to edit. I'm awake. I have to go to the gas station. No, I don't have a vehicle. I have to walk. That's how I get my day started. If you guys are wondering what the fuck these green spots are, they're just my they're just glow sticks from last night. My sister-in-law decided to be funny and do glow sticks and try to put them in a bubble machine with all the bubbles to watch the bubbles glow. Didn't work. So she decided to take whatever glow sticks were left and throw them on me. I was glowing all night. Yeah, that chick got in my eye. I'll put a picture in there of me from last night. That was just all glowing. It's such a beautiful day out today. The high is supposed to be like 75. I don't know. I really don't know what the hell's going on today. Other than the fact I do know that I have to go back to my mom's house to get some clothes because I'm at my sister-in-law's house tonight and possibly tomorrow night to help watch my nephew. Comes a guy in a lawnmower. Stuff you see here in this town. I know that guy. He's pretty cool. People you meet in this town, some of them are assholes, some of them are really nice. There's a lot of people in this town that I actually do know and that I get along with. Kids, whatever you do not buy what I'm about to buy in this gas station. If kids actually watch this. This is a bad habit that I have. I smoke cigarettes and it's a really, really bad habit. Ow. Yeah, today should be a good day. A relatively good day to do basically whatever. I got nothing really going on today. So, yeah, I shall return. Not really. I don't know. Almost to the gas station. Alright. I got what I needed from that gas station. Now I gotta head over to another gas station because they didn't have what I was looking for. My original intention wasn't to buy a pack of cigarettes. It was actually to get something to drink, but they didn't have it. But I got a pack of smokes. I need help stopping. Hard. Look at the traffic just flying by me. I still gotta cross the street. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm gonna put this bitch out and run. Or not, I'm not actually gonna put it out, I'm gonna run with this in my hand like it is. It's so bright. I gotta wait for traffic that's oncoming. So much of it. Edit that out. Don't try that at home, kids. Especially smoking. Smoking's bad. It's so fucking bright out here.
Oh, you know. Having a blast. And so call me on it.
You're always having fun when you're working here.
Oh, yeah. What?
I just want to put a nickel for a $4.
It's all on my card. Alright.
It's a nickel. I think I love it. Pennies and anything.
Do you usually let it as
Sometimes. I know it's low though.
Alright. There you go.
How's it going?
It's going. In 5.
Oh, I gotta grab all the dimes that are in my freaking pocket. Jesus. That. And then the knuckle. Yep. Have a good day. Damn, that car's loud. Made it to the gas station, got my drink. I was just trying to get back across the street again, across this highway, to get back to my brother's house, where my sister-in-law lives. Because then I gotta go to my mother's. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, I think I just might end up making it this time without a problem. I'll be damned. Shit, now I gotta start running. Ugh. Made it. Finally. Let's just start walking and walking. So anyway, yeah, I don't know really what's going on today. Other than the fact that I do have to go to my mother's. I gotta get change of clothes. You guys haven't realized. I have to get a change of clothes because my dumbass forgot to grab clothes to wear for today. So I'm wearing the same clothes I was, well, part of the same outfit that I was wearing yesterday. Might end up going to the park later today. I'm not sure. Not really too sure exactly what's going on. I'll find out once I get done at my mom's house. Holy shit, dude. That looked dark. I walk backwards and I look perfectly fine. I walk forward and I'm dark. I really need an actual camera that fixes this problem. But anyway, yeah. I gotta go to my mom's house, see what's going on there. And continue doing whatever I'm doing today, which probably ain't much. You got a vehicle behind me. It looks like a cement truck. Get closer. There he is. Alright. I just completely failed on that one. Forgot to fucking hit the button. Or I forgot to put it on camera mode. Or video mode. Somebody's car. What's going on, TJ? Whose horn did I just hear?
This motherfucker right here?
You put a horn on this fucking rider. Nuh-uh. This motherfucker put a horn on a goddamn riding lawnmower.
You videotaping.
What?
What the hell you videotaping?
I'm videotaping that. It's called a vlog, dickhead.
And you just put me on there.
I put the fucking rider on it, dick.
Yeah, and I'm on there.
Not really. Oh, you're fine. I can edit you out. There's a dickhead that lit fireworks off on me yesterday.
You lit fireworks off on AJ?
I was in the backyard hiding fucking Easter eggs, and all of a sudden I hear a big boom. I'm like, the fuck? I walk up front of the house, and I seen smoke, and I'm like, okay.
You know, be more fun.
And then I walked back in the backyard, and there's more smoke. I'm like, where the fuck are these assholes lighting these fuckers at?
Bent over with your ass crack hanging out in the lady finger.
No, it could have been worse. Josh could have put a firecracker in an egg, and while you're holding that egg.
Yeah, I'm
No,
just hiding that motherfucker, and all of a sudden it blows up in my head. Fuck!
We should not be saying that to Josh. He probably do it.
You're giving him ideas. He may be over there, but he's still listening.
Josh, did he hear anything I said?
You know that he heard what you said. You know that. He may be slow, but he's smart. When you think he's not listening, fucking just rig it up. Jesus. You know, if I go to publish that video, I have to put it in the comments or make a small little clip at the end of the video.
Yeah.
Saying thanks for letting me publish this.
Yeah, I already did that a long time ago.
Anyway, I'm still waiting for fucking Sharon.
Why?
I was, well, the thing is, I was gonna bring Sophia. Dude.
Smell it.
Damn. I was gonna bring Sophia over yesterday to say Happy Easter to Sharon, but I couldn't get over here quick enough. I was busy all day yesterday.
He said he broke my nose. My nose look broke.
Uh,
I told him when I see you.
I kick you in the nuts.
When I catch you, it's gonna be over with.
You really don't want to try that.
Grab my leg fucking just knock my ass over.
You really don't want to try that.
I bet so. Bet not. What? God damn it.
You're too damn young for this stuff.
Guy in blue is smoking and he's underage. One goes that way and two more come this way.
These two are hilarious. They'll be racing up down the street.
Alright, I've got to record this. This is interesting.
They don't hurt nothing.
Very interesting. Oh, it's fucking Brad and Terry. Watch this. See ya, guys! Oh, fuck. That was awesome. Oh, I don't get to do that type of shit every day. Oh, that was entertaining. That was my entertainment for the day. Oh boy. That was two of my good buddies, Brad and Terry. Decided to hop on for a ride and get at least a little bit closer to home. Okay, I've had enough fun for the day. Well, how's it going, guys? It is, what time is it? It is like, I don't know what time it is. It is 11:43. I'm tired. Even though I really didn't do anything much today. As you can tell in my vlog today, it really wasn't much, but I did have a little bit of fun. I've been thinking, to whoever likes, subscribes, and comments on any of my stuff, give me ideas about things that you'd like to see me do, maybe, in some of my vlogs. I could do a Q&A or whatever. Yeah, just let me know. I could do a Q&A session whenever, but, thank you for, watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter and, Facebook, sorry. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.